Hey there, science fans! Welcome back to another exciting episode where we explore the wonders of science and technology. Ever wondered what else food dye can do besides turning your cupcakes rainbow colored? Well, you're in for a treat today. Get this, scientists are using it to make skin transparent. Yes, you heard that right. This isn't science fiction, it's real science happening right now. Yeah, you heard that right. We're talking see-through skin like a superpower straight out of a comic book. Imagine having the ability to see through your skin to observe what's happening underneath. Now, before you go dumping food coloring into your bathtub, hold on. It's not that simple. This isn't something you can do at home with a few drops of food dye. This incredible discovery involves a specific food dye called tartrazine and a whole lot of science. Tartrazine is commonly used in foods, but its potential goes far beyond just adding color. We're talking about groundbreaking research, folks. Scientists are delving deep into the molecular structure of tartrazine to unlock its potential for medical applications. It's not as easy as dipping your fingers in Kool-Aid and hoping for the best. The process involves precise scientific techniques and a deep understanding of how the dye interacts with biological tissues. So, buckle up as we dive into the fascinating world of transparent skin and the amazing potential it holds for medical science. This could revolutionize how we diagnose and treat various conditions. This is one science lesson you won't want to miss. Stay tuned as we explore the cutting-edge research and meet the brilliant minds behind this incredible discovery. Get ready to be amazed! Let's meet our star player, Tartrazine, also known as Yellow Number 5. This synthetic lemon yellow azo dye is widely used in the food industry, and its vibrant hue is hard to miss. You've probably consumed this vibrant yellow dye in everything from candy to cheese puffs. It's a staple in many processed foods, giving them that eye-catching color that makes them so irresistible. It's the secret ingredient that makes those neon-colored snacks so visually appealing. From gummy bears to sports drinks, tartrazine is the unsung hero behind the scenes, making our favorite treats look as good as they taste. But it turns out, this common food additive has a hidden talent making skin temporarily transparent. Yes, you heard that right. Beyond its culinary uses, tartrazine has a fascinating application in the field of science. Now, how does it work? Well, tartrazine has a unique chemical structure that allows it to interact with light in a special way. Its molecular composition is such that it can manipulate light waves, creating an almost magical effect. When applied to the skin, it essentially bends light around the cells, making them appear transparent. This phenomenon is due to the way tartrazine molecules align and interact with the skin's surface. Think of it like this. Imagine shining a flashlight through a glass of water. The light passes through the water, making it seem almost invisible to the naked eye. The light passes right through, making the water seem invisible. Similarly, tartrazine bends light in such a way that it makes the skin appear see-through. That's kind of what's happening with tartrazine in skin cells. The light is redirected around the cells, creating a temporary transparency effect that can be quite astonishing. Of course, it's not quite as simple as shining a flashlight. The process involves precise application in specific conditions to achieve the desired transparency. There's a specific process involved, which brings us to our next exciting chapter, the experiment. We'll dive deeper into the scientific methods and explore how this intriguing property of tartrazine can be harnessed for various applications. Stay tuned as we uncover the secrets behind this remarkable dye and its potential uses beyond the food industry. Scientists at Stanford University, those brilliant minds, made a groundbreaking discovery. They found that when they applied a special tartrazine solution to the skin of mice, something amazing happened. The mice's skin became temporarily transparent. It was a real-life invisibility cloak, but for mice. Now, before you start picturing a laboratory full of invisible rodents running amok, let me clarify. The transparency wasn't complete. It was more like seeing through frosted glass. Researchers could see the blood vessels and organs beneath the skin, which is incredibly valuable for medical imaging. This experiment was a game changer. It opened up a whole new world of possibilities for medical imaging and diagnosis. Imagine being able to see inside the human body without invasive procedures. Here's the best part. The transparency effect is temporary. That's right, no walking around with see-through skin for the rest of your life. The tartrazine naturally breaks down over time, and the skin returns to its normal, opaque self. The researchers found that the transparency lasted for a few hours in mice, which is long enough to conduct various medical imaging procedures. They also observed no adverse effects on the mice, which is a huge plus. This reversibility factor is crucial, as it ensures that the procedure is safe and non-invasive. It's like having X-ray vision for a few hours, then returning to your normal self. Section 5. A clearer view for doctors. Now, let's talk about the exciting implications of this discovery for medical science. Imagine a world where doctors can see inside the human body with ease, without the need for X-rays, kinetic scans, or other invasive procedures. This technology has the potential to revolutionize medical imaging and diagnosis. Think about it. Doctors could use this technique to monitor blood flow, track the progression of diseases, and even guide surgical procedures with incredible precision. It would be like having a real-time window into the human body, allowing for earlier and more accurate diagnoses. The possibilities are truly endless. From dermatology to oncology, this technology could transform the way we approach healthcare. Section 6. From mice to humans, a big leap. Okay, so we've established that making mouse skin transparent is pretty amazing. But what about humans? Can we start applying tartrazine to ourselves and expect the same results? Well, not so fast. While the research is incredibly promising, it's important to remember that what works on mice doesn't always translate to humans. Our bodies are complex, and there are many factors to consider before we start making ourselves see-through. There's a long way to go before this technology is ready for prime time. But hey, a science guy can dream, right? Section 7. Safety first. Dosage and You. One of the biggest challenges in translating this technology to humans is determining the safe and effective dosage of tartrazine. Too little, and it might not work. Too much, and well, we don't want to turn people into human glow sticks. Scientists need to conduct rigorous testing to figure out the optimal dosage for humans, taking into account factors like body weight, skin type, and overall health. Safety is paramount, and we don't want to rush into anything that could potentially harm people. It's all about finding that sweet spot between effectiveness and safety. After all, we want to make people see through, not turn them into human highlighter pens. Section 8. The future is transparent, maybe. So what does the future hold for this incredible discovery? The idea of transparency in human skin might sound like something out of a science fiction novel, but it's a concept that scientists are seriously exploring. Will we all be walking around with see-through skin someday? Imagine a world where you could see the inner workings of your body right through your skin. Well, it's too early to say for sure. The technology is still in its infancy, and there are many hurdles to overcome. But one thing's for certain, this research has opened up a world of possibilities for medical science. The potential applications are vast and could revolutionize the way we approach healthcare. Imagine a future where doctors can diagnose diseases with a simple glance, without the need for invasive procedures. They could monitor treatment progress in real time, adjusting medications and therapies on the fly to ensure the best outcomes for patients, and perform surgeries with unprecedented precision, thanks to the ability to see exactly what's happening inside the body at all times. It sounds like something straight out of science fiction, but the advancements in technology are bringing us closer to this reality every day. But thanks to the power of science, it could become a reality. The breakthroughs being made in labs around the world are paving the way for a future where transparency in human skin could be a common sight. So the next time you reach for that brightly colored snack, think about the science behind it. Take a moment to appreciate the incredible potential of food dye. It's not just about making our food look more appealing. It's not just for coloring food anymore. Scientists are discovering new uses for these dyes in medical research and beyond. It could be the key to unlocking a healthier and brighter future for us all. The possibilities are endless, and the future is looking more transparent than ever.